So, what or who is Pater Practicus? Well, I'm a dad, and I'm reasonably practical. Pretty handy at making, mending, and maintaining all sorts of things. So, this channel is going to be about just that. A bunch of diverse videos about how I go about doing practical stuff, which I hope will include useful hints and inspiration for your own projects. There will be quite a lot of model rail stuff, not just trains and rolling stock, but some detailed, in-depth videos of my own layout project, including building construction, scenic landscaping, and detailing. Along the way, I'll be covering some more general modelling techniques, including airbrushing and general painting. I'll be doing some detailing projects and some conversions, including switching over from DC to DCC, as well as a few lighting projects. I will undoubtedly also end up doing some Airfix kits, again, hopefully with some modelling tips, but also with some inspiration for creating your own unique models. I've even got some ideas for some custom Lego builds. Away from modelling, there will be lots of other practical stuff, including soldering and simple electrical projects and repairs, from the very basic essentials, like changing the fuse in a plug, to PC builds and upgrades when you're working to a tight budget. There will also be money-saving home repairs, only requiring inexpensive specialist tools, and a little bit of know-how. I may get onto some Raspberry Pi projects, but I will need a bit of help with the coding. I'll also be doing some standard, heavier duty DIY projects, putting up shelves, a bit of upholstery, some carpentry, and even a bit of straightforward plumbing. So if any of that sounds like it's up your street, please check out my other videos, and obviously don't forget to subscribe.